Hello everyone, welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel where we provide you with the latest tech insights. Today, we'll be discussing how to speed up your PC for free. If you're like most people, you probably notice that your computer slows down over time, and it can be frustrating. But don't worry, there are some simple and free ways to speed up your PC, and we'll be sharing them with you today. So, let's dive in and get started. Why does your PC slow down over time? Before we dive into the ways to speed up your PC, let's talk about why your computer slows down over time. There are several reasons for this, including accumulation of temporary files and cache, fragmentation of files on the hard drive, outdated drivers and software, too many programs running in the background. Now that you understand why your computer slows down over time, let's talk about how to fix it. Ways to speed up your PC for free. 1. Clean up temporary files and cache. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files and cache, which can slow down its performance. 1. You can easily clean them up by using the built-in disk cleanup tool on your PC. 2. Defragment your hard drive. Fragmentation of files on the hard drive can also slow down your computer. 2. You can use the built-in disk defragmenter tool on your PC to defragment your hard drive and improve performance. 3. Update drivers and software. Outdated drivers and software can also slow down your PC. 3. Make sure to regularly update your drivers and software to ensure that your computer is running at its best. 4. Disable unnecessary programs. Too many programs running in the background can also slow down your computer. 4. Disable any unnecessary programs from running at startup to improve performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are several simple and free ways to speed up your PC, including cleaning up temporary files and cache, defragmenting your hard drive, updating drivers and software, disabling unnecessary programs, and removing malware and viruses. By following these tips, you can improve your computer's performance and enjoy a faster and more efficient experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Also, share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.